Want to temporarily stop sharing your location with someone on your iPhone without notifying them? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to pause location sharing on iPhone. Now let's get started. To get access to this option, you'll need to have updated your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To temporarily pause location sharing on iPhone, first open the Find My app. At the bottom, select People. Then tap the name of the contact you want to pause location sharing with. Tap the three dots on the right. Then select Hide Location. This will temporarily hide your location from this specific contact until you decide to share it again. To share your location with them again, go back to the People tab of the Find My app, select the contact, and tap Unhide. If you'd like to pause location sharing with all contacts who you've shared your location with, tap Me in the bottom right corner. Then tap the switch labeled Share My Location. Then you can choose if you want to turn off location sharing for just today, or if you'd like to turn it off until you choose to turn it back on. Anyone you've shared your location with will then no longer be able to see your current location, but they won't be notified that you stopped sharing it. To turn location sharing back on, tap the switch labeled Share My Location to enable sharing. That's all it takes to temporarily pause location sharing on iPhone in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.